Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and in today's episode we are trying to modify the the fluid feed for the power steering pump. Currently we have this stolpe in Swedish. We have this connection which you just put the hose on with the hose clamp. But I want to utilize this. So this is a stainless steel Welding AN10 connection. This hole is not the best though. It's too small to fit this pipe. So the plan now is to first of all shorten this with this tool, a pipe cutter. And I will put this adapter in the lathe and I will make a bigger hole, hopefully, if it works. And with that hole I will be able to center the AN fitting onto the pipe and then weld it on. Once this is welded, we can move on to the other stages, which is zinc treating it and yellow passivation. So I will see if I can get this rigged in the lathe, and then we'll get to cutting. So with the help of this pipe cutter we were able to cut this piece loose. So now we need to expand this hole so it fits here. So the hole did not really become that great, but I think it's good enough. Something like that. So I will continue another day when I can weld these pieces together. Here we have the welding machine ready to go. I couldn't find a hose clamp, so I heated the hose and just pushed it on. So I will need to cut the hose later. Here we have the AN fitting and the pipe that I'm welding to it. Let's see how this goes. So the welding is complete, and this was actually the first thing I welded after repairing this welding machine. So we are starting the post treatment, and maybe if I turn on the light, yeah, you can see that there is some the weld groove on the inside, so I need to fix that. So I have this is all I could find. I will be using my drill. Oops. And of course I have ear and eye protection. So let's get to grinding. So I think we are at the point where this is okay. You can't really see the weld protrude that much anymore. So hopefully this is fine. So now we need to focus. Now we need to clean this up. I will do that in the bench grinder with the wire wheel, and then we can start the surface treatment. So it's now ready for the next step, which is more cleaning. So I will use brake cleaner to blow through it, and then I might use acid to clean it. Otherwise I will just use thinner, and then it's time to do the electroplating, the zinc treatment. Here we have all the parts for the next step, and I've managed to run this copper wire through the pipe. So this is what I will use to hang it, and by doing it this way I make sure that I have several contact points between the copper wire and the part itself, so good conduction. And also I won't have the rings or the miscoloration due to the copper wire being around something else. That will of course hang on this rod. Here we have the ball of zinc that's slowly getting eaten piece by piece. We have the zinc fluid, we have the plastic container and a power supply, and then just a cutting plier for cutting off the copper wire, and glasses as I like to see things, so I will not risk it on this. So it's already been cleaned, brake cleaner, thinner, etc. So I will pour the fluid in and get started. So over to the GoPro. So the treatment is started. I haven't calculated what current I should use. I mean, we have the complete surface on the outside, but also on the inside. So yeah, I'm just taking it a bit easy in the beginning. So 1.48 amps, roughly 1 volt. And this is the kit from Gör det själv-butiken, GDS-butiken. So now it will stay like this for a while. I will move the zinc ball around a bit to try and even out the coverage, if it even matters. So it's looking like we are getting ready for the next bath, which you can see that I've poured here, and that's the yellow passivation or yellow chromatation without the dangerous chrome. Yeah, but you can also see that I've flipped the pipe around just to get better coverage. And it's been in here for roughly 2 hours, I think. And I've also increased it to maximum current. So I will shut off the power supply, disconnect the cables, and then just lift it up, shake it off, and then dip it down here. And allegedly I should keep it here for 2 minutes, but I usually keep it in for more than that. We will see what happens. So I think I used too much current. That's why we have the brownish stuff. You can see, like down there, I've wiped it off. So yeah, I'm not happy with the result, but this will have to do. I will hang it in these so that it can dry completely, and then we will see in another episode what it looks like. So the difference between this pipe and the screws that you've seen me treat in previous episodes is that the screws they have a safety concern. In case they crack and break, I can lose a control arm and spin off the road or something. If this one cracks, then I will lose power steering fluid. Not really a big problem. So I will not heat treat this. So hopefully it can become or maintain its shininess, although I destroyed it by using too much current, so we will see. But yeah, I won't do the heat treatment anyway. So that means that this episode is over. So a little bit different, since I basically completed this part in one episode. So let me know in the comments if you prefer to see episodes like this or the more sort of vlog style where I make one episode per visit to the garage. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.